Today we're doing an unboxing of a digital planner. So I don't even know if unboxing is the correct word. I guess it's more of a review. It is the Life Map Collective Planner. Now they do have a physical paper-based format of the planner. However, as you know, two things. One, I am going paper-free, so I'm trying to only use the iPad. And two, I thought it would just be fun to do a digital planner review because I don't think I've ever done one. Someone did ask me to do one once, and I am just going to go on record and apologize because I think it was like a year and a half ago, and I lost their email and I looked for it later and I couldn't find it. So if that was you, go ahead and just send me another note. I am happy to review your digital planner. It just got lost somewhere in my inbox. So anyways, this was, I also bought, this is the digital planner, but they only have one. And then I also bought their Notion pack of templates. I'm not a Notion user. However, people like rave about it. So I thought we could check that out too. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every day. And if you would like to create your own digital planner, make sure to sign up for my free course, Planner 101. And I also have a bunch of digital planner tutorials on this channel as well, and I will leave links to that below. All right, so this digital planner was not cheap. It was $29, and then the Notion pack of like Notion templates that I guess complement it and go with it were $19. So we're going to look at the digital planner first, and then I'll switch over back to my desktop and show you the Notion pack. So the first thing is you don't get a cover. You basically just get this planner. It tells you how to use it. So this is a very involved, like text heavy planner. I don't know why. I'm just not a fan of text heavy planners. And so she did have audio files, but she talks for a couple minutes, and then there's some really like boring piano music after that. Embracing experimentation. So this looks kind of boring. So we get the year at a glance. It starts on a Monday, which you all know I don't like. It was really hard to write these numbers. So I wrote these numbers here, and then I tried to make them smaller. They're just really not legible. This first section, basically she has 4 sections. You get a dream map 1, a dream map 2, 3, 4. They're all exactly the same. So she's just telling you to write out your theme and values, start and stop, listen to your life, dream guide, your dream map, close out. Keep your goals for this dream map front and center by writing them below. So you need 3 goals for each of these 4 dream maps. It's a lot of goals. That's 12 goals. Which I guess would correspond to 1 per month, but thinking of all of them up front, I think is hard. The theme for my dream map period is the 4 words that will bring you your theme to life. How can you embrace your theme completely? Values, I guess you have to have 4 new ones every single time. Mind maps. So you all know how I feel about mind maps. I can't draw, so I feel like these mind map things are really for people who know how to draw, and I'm just not one of those people. So if we go here, would you like to start doing more of in your life? So let's say ice cream, more kittens, more walks, more movies. So pretty simple, right? So I've taken up what low quality activities you want to do less of. And again, you have to draw these. I don't know. I can't think of anything that I do that I don't. Buying stuff. All right. So let's just move on. Lists to change your life, the experience list, the discomfort list, lists, the connection list, my growth list. Your dream guide. Didn't we just come up with a bunch of things for dreams? Your dream map. How excited are you to work on this? How excited are you working on this? How excited? Okay, so now I need 4 goals. And nope, I need 8 goals. I need 4 big goals and I need 4 mini goals. Now, you know how I know I feel about this. I think that's horrible, awful. Like I finally am embracing goals, but I think 8 goals is setting yourself up for success. Nobody has time to focus on 8 goals. And then you have to write out a whole plan of why is this goal important to you? Envision your most successful outcome. Sometimes when I read these questions, I kind of feel like I'm at a commune, like one of those brainwashing places. Is this really important to you, Lisa? Are you going to do it? Great. Are you going to buy our timeshare? Will this get you the things that you want? Okay, more like drawing. I can't draw. What worked, mistakes, learnings, changes, monthly life refresh, and then your January at a glance. Okay, so each month has what they call a monthly overview. So the month, I feel like this is Captain Obvious. It's January. This is an undated planner, but you just asked me much. Last month was December. I don't know why you would ask me that. Review your current dream map pages, your theme, execution, your values, hard work, your top 3 accomplishments. What 3 things did you do in the last month that you're proud of? I already did that in the Plan With Me video. Top 3 highlights. What can you do next month to make it amazing? What's working? What's not working? Are there any changes that you need to make by the end of the month? I will have. Okay. And then it looks like we have to draw in numbers all again. You know how I feel about that. I feel like this is kind of a waste. All right. And then it just rinse and repeats through the end of the year. So February, March, April, May, June, December. All right. So she had an example one. And let's see. Where are her examples? Okay. Leaving my planner open on the kitchen counter so I complete it. And see, she can't write in this either. This is a font. So, because these spaces are just too small for this super text-based thing. Okay, using your digital planner. Or not. I don't know. Click the link below. All right. Well, I don't know. Clearly, she didn't link that. Again, she used a font. I feel like you're cheating. It's kind of because it's so hard to write in those tiny itty bitty squares. Freedom, essentialism, allow my weekends to be work free, hire a cleaner, implement a social free day, schedule 3 life admin days, block out meeting free days in my calendar, adventure, creativity, wealth, beauty, health. Let's see. Walking to work, donating blood. Again, she used a font. And so dream guide. Let's see. What was her dream guide? Wow, this is a lot of stuff to do. Get a job with flexible working arrangements. Create a budget. Start a small Etsy store. Create a running habit. Create a side hustle. Outsource cleaning and cooking. Get a more flexible job. Create an emergency fund. Redesign my space. Set strong work boundaries, learn Japanese, learn how to do my taxes, complete a tax course, move to Melbourne, start doing weekly relationship meetings, learn Spanish, educate myself on investment, create a monthly women's circle, create an Etsy store, redesign my wardrobe, create a professional wardrobe, redesign my resume, start saving $50 a week, start therapy. You're going to need therapy for all the crazy. There is no way. I feel like this 100% is setting you up for failure if you're trying to do all of these things. I don't know. I think it's a lot, like way too much stuff to do. But anyways, let me know what you thought of this. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the Notion pack. All right, here's the Notion pack. All you have to do is hit the duplicate on the top right, which was here on the original page, and it will just create another page for you, I guess, that's in your account. So just keep in mind that these Notion templates, if you've never used Notion, it's basically like a very overly complicated website. I am definitely not a fan of Notion. Everyone keeps talking about it though, so I keep trying it. It's kind of like TikTok. You hear about it, you try it, but I just don't get into it. So anyway, so she's giving you all these templates. I do feel like this was a good list. Is it a good list? I don't know. There's a lot of stuff in here. Is it useful? Is it helpful? I don't know. I don't think so. Let's go to launch my website because that's what I'm doing. What is the primary purpose of this? Why are you really doing this? What's a successful outcome look like? Okay, a done website. These are not good questions. These are just generic questions. This does not help me with website at all. Okay, so let's go to midday check-in, clear emails, review life map daily. I guess that's her planner plug. Plan social media posts, post on social, clear inbox, delete social media, 15-minute tidy, complete life map. I don't understand. Delete social media. She has you focusing on social media for the midday. Why would you delete your social media? That doesn't make any sense. Okay. Skincare routine, get comfy, dinner, read, weekly map, weekly reset. So this master to-do list, buy Facebook ads course. Oh, I see. These are just examples that she has, which I appreciate examples. That's fine. Let's just keep going on. Let's see. I think I have to go into my version of Notion to see so that I can see my stuff. I think I'm still in hers. That's why it says duplicate. Open Notion. Whoops. Favorites. Okay. So here we go. I believe this is mine. So I can go ahead and type stuff. Nope. I'm still not. It says Lisa Siefert. I clearly don't know how to use Notion. So, there we are. The Notion pack. So getting things done, the weekly reset. Now I can hit it. So I guess you could just keep copying and pasting these. Is that how that works? Life map. So I could just keep duplicating this. Yeah. I could just duplicate this checklist every single day. So duplicate again, and I guess you could just duplicate it over and over and then just keep hitting all of those buttons. Oh no, when it duplicates it, I guess you have to duplicate it before you hit the check marks because it takes the check marks with you. So does it? Let's try this one. Yep, it takes the check marks with you. So that would be a mistake. Okay, getting things done pack, master to-do list. Like I said, this is her list of examples. You can check these off. What else did she have inside of here? What was on that main page? Getting things done, templates, planning hub, wish list, create zero account, routines, morning routine, workout for 20 minutes, activity number 2. Oh, this one was, I think she just got lazy. This one was like, I can't be bothered to give you examples. Activity 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, commonplace book, books, life notes. Oh, that sounds awful. I might as well go back to college if I want to take notes on books. All right. Fun extras, a bounce back checklist. If you're feeling off, make a meal in the kitchen. Wow, that sounds awful. I'm sure that would work for other people who like cooking. As we all know, I desperately hate it with a passion. Fill a water bottle and drink half. I don't know if that would help. Okay, let's just leave this list. Bounce back checklist. Let's look at some other lists. How about a picnic beach list? That looks fun. Hat, sunglasses, sunscreen, book, towels, Bluetooth music player, hat, sunglasses, book, music. Okay, basically the same stuff. Mozzie stuff. Mozzie must be her child. I don't know what that means. And then weekly cleaning checklist. Clean fridge out. All right, so, I mean, there were a couple things on here. They were kind of useful. And I guess that's it. If you just don't want to set up Notion by yourself, I know I have zero desire to use Notion, even though I know people rave about it. I've tried it. I think let's look at Planner Academy. Look at that. It's empty. Clearly, I did nothing with this. Anyways, let me know if you love Notion. This might be a good pack for you. It looks like she did fill a few things up and then some she left blank. So all right, that is it. That's my wrap up for the planner and then the Notion. I think that was a good idea for an add-on for people who like to be organized and try to make lists. And let me know if you would like to make your own planner. Make sure to sign up for my free course, Planner 101. I hope everyone's having a fabulous day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.